Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to our everyday math lesson 6.6, which is called naming polygons. So before we start naming polygons, let's think about what a polygon is. So our first word, I'm going to write it on our chalkboard right here. Our first word is polygon. And I want you to think in your mind what that is. I'm sure you've heard it before. What is a polygon? Okay. If you said or thought something like a polygon is a flat shape, you're right. If you said a polygon has to have straight sides, you're right. And the number of sides a polygon has is really infinite. It can have as many sides as you can make. The prefix poly, right here, is a Greek word that means many. Poly means many. And gon comes from another Greek word meaning angles. Meaning angle. So a polygon is a figure or a shape with many angles. Okay, and for this lesson you need a piece of scratch paper and a pencil and your home link 6.6, and that's all. And so just like the last couple days, we are going to make some dots on our paper, and we're going to use a straight edge to connect the dots and make a polygon. So for this one, let's make 5 dots. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter where you make them. And then you can use your straight edge, but I don't have a straight edge tool here, so I'm going to use my finger and do the best I can to connect the dots. Okay. All right, this is a polygon that has, if we count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. And of course, if it has 5 angles, it has 5 vertices and it has 5 sides. So think about what a 5-sided polygon is called. It has a special name. Give you a clue. You got it. Pentagon. Okay. And so polygons are actually kind of easy to name because, well, for the ones with a few sides, because if we always remember that gon means angle, then we just have to think about what the prefix means. The prefix is the first part of the word. So penta must mean 5. That's right, 5 angles. So let's think for a second. So we have a triangle. So let's make a little list of prefixes right here. Think about what a triangle is. What does the prefix tri mean in every word? That's right, 3. Triangles have 3 angles. Tricycles have 3 sides. Tripods have 3 legs. Tri means 3. What about yesterday? Quad. Quadrangle, of course that means 4. And now we know pent or penta means 5. Pentagon, 5 angles. What about 6? Number 6? That's right. Hexa is a Greek prefix for 6. 7? This one you don't hear very often. Heptagon, 7 angles. 8 you've heard a lot though. That's right. Octa equals 8, like an octopus. And 9, nonagon. You don't hear that very often either. And 10, maybe you've heard this one before, like a decade, 10 years. Let's add an N there. Deca equals 10. That's probably good enough for now. So there's our list of prefixes. When you see those, if someone says make a pentagon, you can just think penta means 5, must have 5 angles. All right, and I'm going to pause it for a second so we can look at our home links. So bear with me for a sec. Okay, there it is. So there's the family note at the top, and then it says the directions are think of names that have different letters. That means every letter in the name has to be a different letter. You can't have any repeating letters. Use the letters to name points on each circle. Then use a pencil and straight edge to connect the points to make a polygon. Count the number of sides and name the polygon. So here's your example. This person used the name Michael. Notice there are no double letters in there, no letters that are used twice. M-I-C-H-A-E-L. The person has taken a straight edge to connect all of the dots in order. Don't cross over. Do them in order. And the person counted. Notice there are 7 sides. So the polygon is called a heptagon. And the name is M-I-C-H-A-E-L. All right, so you have some spaces here. Let's see. Scoot it up. You have some spaces here to think of names that aren't repeating any letters. Put dots for each letter around the circle, connect them all, and then you can always back up this video to remind yourself of the names of different polygons. Okay, and then number 3 says draw more circles and polygons on the back of this paper. Why do you think each letter in a polygon's name can be used only once? So we'll be discussing that tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.